What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Onyxcoin or XCN, which is down 1.2% at 1.9 cents. We talked about this possible retracement testing that prior well, not multi-year, but 2025 resistance flip support area, and that's exactly what's taking place here. We have $650 million market cap, 33.5 billion coins in circulation out of 48.4 billion total. All-time high on this is 18 cents. Last video I said I believe this thing's going up to 50 cents this bull run, and I still strongly believe that. So 89.5% down from the all-time high. All-time low was 007 about a year ago. So this coin is currently available on the following market. It looks like Coinbase has the highest volume today, followed by HTX, Gate.io, Kraken, LBank, BitThumb, KuCoin. There's 4 different pages of exchanges down here. So if you want it, this coin, there's a good chance that you're able to pick it up somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we had drawn yesterday on the video, and it's kind of playing out as expected. We're kind of thinking that it might be heading down to this prior resistance flip support area, and it is right now. So I'd be looking out for that 018-ish area. If I draw a horizontal support from our current chart that we made yesterday, there is one small support that we're sitting on right now, which is the prior resistance of May 9th. So if we do end up bouncing off this general area right here, that'd be putting in a higher low and it would continue its bullish momentum. But realistically, if we look at the day chart indicators, the MACD is getting ready to cross over bearish. The RSI is retracing pretty heavily. This WTX retracing, and the big one, the stock RSI needs to reset. And the stock RSI topped out here, and you can see we're starting to see a pretty steep retracement from that point. I'd be starting to get more bullish if we started seeing this slight V shape up, because usually when it has a small V shape up, that's indicative of a reversal to the upside. So right now, I'm still looking for that possible retracement down to 1.8 to 1.7 cents to test the prior 2025 downtrend, because this is the beginning of this downtrend was January 25th, and we've been in a downtrend ever since until we broke out of it on the 15th of May right here. So all we really need to do is back test that prior resistance as support. And then from there, I think we can see some bullish momentum to the upside. Now, obviously, if we get a bounce off of here, we do have to break above the 786 here at about 2.2 cents. That was a pretty heavy resistance area going all the way back to April. You can see we got rejected off of once, twice, 3 times. So usually, my saying is 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, drop top. I don't think that's gonna be the case here. But that's always something to take into consideration. But breaking out of our downtrend support or downtrend resistance area of 2025, I think we could have strong conviction that once we bounce off that support, we should see some bullish movement to the upside. I've gone over this numerous times throughout the videos. The week chart's still looking insanely bullish. That was why it's leading me to believe that we will see some sort of support bounce off that prior resistance, with the MACD on the weekly getting ready to cross over bullish there, and the stock RSI is going straight up on the weekly. The normal RSI is starting to go up on the weekly. We have a lot of momentum going for us, guys, here on the weekly time frame. So for you long-term holders, this is what you like to see. The last time indicators looked this good was right about here, and you can kind of see what happened after that. We saw some very, very bullish movement to the upside um in the next couple weeks or so. So I wouldn't be too worried, in my personal opinion. I think we're just going to see a support bounce here. The main objective here is to get above 2.2 cents, guys. You get above 2.2 cents, you have a fib all the way up here at 50, guys. So it is realistically, well, technically speaking, possible to hit 50 cents. And you guys have a small market cap. You only have a $650 million market cap. So what does that say? 2 cents. That's like a 25x. The 25x from here is below a $25 billion market cap, which in the hype of the bull run, crypto, $25 billion market cap is absolutely nothing when you're in the mania phase of the bull run. So that leads me to believe, around a $25 billion market cap, that's when this thing will be up here. And that's about a 25, 26x from where we're currently at, guys. So I'm going to stick with my guns and say that's going to be the plan right there. I'll check the prior support, check out the 2.2. You break above that, then we can start the next leg higher for XCN. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.